Welcome to our comparison of the Hohem iSteady M6 and the Hohem iSteady M6 kit. Today, we will explore the features, pricing, and user experiences of these two impressive gimbal stabilizers designed for smartphones. Whether you're a content creator or just looking to capture smooth videos, understanding the differences between these models will help you make an informed decision. Let's get started. When it comes to pricing, the Hohem iSteady M6 is priced at $229, while the Hohem iSteady M6 kit is more affordable at $209. This price difference may influence your decision, especially if you're looking for a budget-friendly option without sacrificing quality. Both models offer excellent features, but the M6 kit provides a more economical choice for those on a tighter budget. Battery life is another crucial factor to consider. The Hohem iSteady M6 boasts an impressive battery life of 18 hours, allowing for extended filming sessions without interruption. On the other hand, while the battery life for the M6 kit is not explicitly stated, it is likely similar. However, users have reported that both models perform exceptionally well in terms of longevity, making them reliable for long shoots. In terms of features, both gimbals offer impressive stabilization technology and AI tracking capabilities. The Hohem iSteady M6 includes advanced features such as inception mode and a built-in fill light, enhancing its versatility for creative shots. Meanwhile, the M6 kit also offers excellent stabilization and a magnetic fill light, along with ultra-wide-angle shot capabilities, making it a great choice for capturing expansive scenes. Both models cater to different filming needs, ensuring you can achieve high-quality results. In conclusion, both the Hohem iSteady M6 and the Hohem iSteady M6 kit provide excellent stabilization and features for smartphone videography. The choice between the two largely depends on your budget and specific needs. If you prioritize advanced features and longer battery life, the M6 may be the better option. However, if you're looking for a more affordable alternative that still delivers great performance, the M6 kit is an excellent choice. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more comparisons and reviews.